come outside when they be rap. We all in scat packs, we the fastest. 3-round burst, sound like it's lagging. I ain't friendly, almost popped the fan up, cause he tried to glitch through my phone and tried to stab me. Now I'm shooting shots at her daddy. Kill my nigga if he steal, cause all he had to do was ask. We done cut the pint, boys, we hit a pint and seal it back. Cost so much they'll break up in my crib to steal a match. Play crazy, we throwing stones at a nigga, we a flag.
YouTube, it's your boy Rock Tech. What is that? Shine. But look, it's your boy Rock Tech. I'm back. Y'all ain't seen me in like 2 weeks, bro. What I've been doing these 2 weeks, I've been getting some stuff going for the channel. So look, first things first, YouTube. I do not sell firearms. I do not intend to sell firearms. This is an educational channel, and I just do reviews and go to the gun range and test out stuff. Simple as that. Now, first of all, I'm an idiot because when my channel got hacked, I turned off my emails and I stopped replying to sponsors because I thought everybody was trying to scam me. But I got like 8 or 9 sponsors that was sending my email for like 2 to 3, 4 weeks. But I just reached out back to all of them. Reached out to one of them and they got something sent to me fast, like 2-3 days. So we're gonna do that review today. I'm gonna review one product today. Then I'm gonna do the other product when I reveal my 300 blackout build, which will come like 2 days after this build. But let's get straight into the video, bro. There ain't even no need to feel me to do all that. Package came. No, I won't show y'all the other side because it got the Addy on there. But I'm finna bust this down. So we got the Gideon Omega, man. We got the Gideon Omega. Nah, I ain't seen it yet. So it's gonna be my first impressions. Gideon Omega. That boy look nice though. A little cloth to clean it. The screws to mount it. And the tools to mount it and sight it in. So that's everything that come in there. And then now let's get to what we all came here for. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. This nice. First impressions. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this glass. Boy. Look, you can see the camera. You can see the camera. Let me turn it on. I don't know if it's red or green. Oh, it's green. It's green. Oh, wait, hold on. So wait. I don't know if I should put it on. Gun clear. I don't know if I should put it on here. Gun also clear. I don't know if I should put it on here or here. I think I'm gonna put it on here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it on here. Hold up. Let me get another look at this motherfucker. This boy look nice, and I ain't gonna lie, it look like durable. It feels like the other red dots I got sent out. They feel a little cheap, this one. You know, got that feel to it. That green dot. It's nice. Let me see how I look on the brightest setting. That motherfucker gonna be glass. So yeah, this is the Gideon Omega. I like the window on it. Like, that's a big window. The Siley Wolf 2. It's not aimed at me. Probably look like that, but you know what? I'm gonna just turn it this way. That's a big window. And you see how that got that red? That boy just straight glass. You can see the green. Yeah, that boy glass, I ain't gonna lie. That's glass. Oh yeah. So wait, I'm gonna put this on here and I'm gonna show y'all how I look. MOS, they screws different, like very small compared to all the other screws. But one thing I can say, it's gonna be hard to strip these because you gotta like put it in there and let it sit, you know, and then. But I'm gonna take this off, then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Gun clear still. So this how I look on the custom Glock 19 80s day. That motherfucker look glass. Glass. Can't tell me that ain't glass. And it look good. Like, this the Siley. This how the Siley look. You know, like a little target. Then you got the window just looks so much better. But I ain't gonna lie. I did take this to the range today. I did. I did test it out. I would have posted the clips with the video, but y'all know how it is on YouTube, man. You gotta make a couple videos so you can get the most money, you feel me? So be on the lookout for that video. But this just the unboxing of the Gideon Omega. I shot this today, 50 rounds, shot a box of 50, just sighting it in, and I was gonna act like I just, you know, was surprised, but I'm gonna just be real with y'all. I did shoot this today, and just wait till the review, man. But it looks great on the gun, I can't lie. Looks amazing. But this the review and this the unboxing of the Gideon Omega. Make sure you stay tuned to the review. And I did something different in this review. I was actually talking during the review, not just shooting, having you guys bored by seeing me shooting. I was actually talking while I was shooting, showing you guys where the shots were landing. You know, like really getting better with the video. So just make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. I got a 100K giveaway coming soon. It's gonna be crazy. I ain't even gonna tell y'all what it is. I'm gonna wait till I get to 100K to reveal it, because I don't want people just to subscribe to me because I'm doing the giveaway at 100K. So I'm gonna wait till I get to the 100K and tell y'all what it is. But you can become a member of the channel. So become a member of the channel and you will know earlier. But until next time, y'all boys stay locked in. Keep trying to stay safe. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's the Gideon Omega. Glass. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. 300 blackout video coming right after this one. Stay tuned.